No fiddly pellets, no gas tanks, no messy charcoal, no ash or smoke, no real flames. Just plug it in and get ready to cook. Is cooking in an electric oven a compromise? I don't think so. In fact, with the weather we've had over the winter and this spring, it's been a sensible pivot to invest in this oven. I'm enjoying the convenience of cooking pizza in an oven that can reach the same temperatures as my outdoor pizza ovens, my gas and my wood-fired ones. But I'm doing that in the coziness and warmth of my kitchen over the cold months. It heats up fast and cooks pizza with just one turn. The high heat creates an environment ideal for achieving a good Neapolitan-style pizza. I have all my plates and my tools at hand in my kitchen. My fridge is close. Using an electric oven inside is easy for those who want a simple and clean way to cook and enjoy delicious pizza inside. What with the new Koda 2 Max selling at the same price as this oven, would you prefer to have the convenience of cooking inside or have the large stone cooking space of the gas-fired Koda 2 Max and cook outside? It's very stylish and I'm pleased it's a dark grey colour, rather than, for example, stainless steel or silver. The glow of the lamp through the glass window against the dark shell makes it look sleek, modern and high-end. This is the first electric pizza oven I've bought and I'm really pleased I bought one. It fits perfectly on my countertop, but I don't keep it here, as my kitchen is not big enough to keep the oven on the countertop all the time. It's a good sized stone and I enjoy making 10-inch pizza, but if you're looking to make 14 to 15-inch pizza, then this is going to be a compromise. I'm enjoying the heat settings. The way it visually moves through the temperature on the setting as it heats up the oven is very helpful, and the very handy boost button for when you need it is there. The boost gives the stone fast extra heat and is good at maintaining its heat for the next cook. The glass door helps us check on the pizza cook progress. I love the fact that it's so easy to use. It's a one-turn cooking pizza oven. However, one of the main disadvantages of this electric high heat pizza oven is the price I paid, which was £799, and that's a lot for my budget. I'm unlikely ever to use this oven outside, as I invested in the better value Ninja Woodfire electric oven for no-turn easy pizza cooking. And I really wish that that oven was suitable for indoor use too. But if this Volt is your one and only oven purchase, then it's handy to use it outside where needed too. There is a heat spot at the back, so your pizza does need to be turned once, but compared to the constant attention required by both gas and wood-fired naked flames, this is a very relaxing and easy way to cook super pizza inside. And that's its unique selling point for me. I've been using this oven for a year now, and I'm really enjoying it. I love the fact that the light that comes from the oven through the glass is a lovely natural ambient glow, and that throughout the winter has been really lovely to see. It's heavy, but not to the point where I can't carry it. Without the stone, it's okay. I have to make sure I'm ready for the oven to be moved and there's nothing in the way, because it's not it's better to pick it up from a higher level than it is to pick it up from the floor. It isn't light, but it's not got to the point where it's so heavy that you can't move it. So it's still movable, but it's not lightweight. It's as heavy as I would want it to be. As this was my first electric pizza oven purchase, I wasn't sure what to expect at first, but I'm very impressed with the way electric ovens cook pizza. I thought I'd made a compromise on the fuel type when I bought this oven. I really wanted to have an oven that I could use inside, and electric ovens are the only ones that I can use inside, and so I was prepared to make that compromise to get that pizza cook inside. The good news is I don't feel there's a compromise at all, and the pizza cook is as good as the cook outside. Some of the pizzas I wouldn't be able to tell if I cooked it inside or outside with my gas or my wood-fired pizza. Having an electric oven does not take away the taste or flavour of your pizza. I don't pick up any other flavours from my wood cooking. I just like wood-fired pizza cooking because I love cooking with wood, not because it infuses any flavours onto my pizza. And if it does, I can't taste them, but that's my taste buds. So having an electric oven for me isn't a compromise. The gas the same. The gas is just cooked with a naked flame. Because this is a high heat oven, the naked flame of the gas and the wood provides a very strong high heat cook. With the electric oven, you're getting the same thing without the flame. And that's why I get good results, because this oven can generate such a high heat. I thought that an electric oven wouldn't be able to replicate the pizza cook, because I had assumed that the cook was very much influenced by a naked flame, wood flame and gas flame. But what I found with the electric oven is that's not the case. That's what has surprised me the most, because I didn't think that it would come out the same. I've got some pizza quizzes going on my community page at the moment, and I'm putting up pictures of pizza I've cooked in different ovens over the last few years, and just to see if you can tell which fuel has cooked the pizza. So handy to cook with an electric oven if you are in a climate like mine, which is very unpredictable, rains a lot in the winter and it's windy and cold. To have an indoor oven is really a huge asset in those cold months. But the fact that you can use it all year round anyway, in the summer even when it's warm, and you can use it outside should you want to, that just makes it an all-round really practical, easy and efficient oven to have. I'm so glad I did buy this oven. I'm pleased I made the decision to buy this oven even though it was out of my budget at the time. I don't regret it. I think I've made some really tasty and good looking pizza in it. I'm looking forward to using it this coming autumn and winter. I have to say that since I bought the Volt, I am cooking a lot less outside using the outside pizza ovens. So on the nice days when I could be cooking outside, nice clear cold days, I've ended up using the Volt. It has changed the way I cook pizza in the winter and the autumn and in the spring as well. It's been a bad spring. It's nice to have that option to cook when you just don't want to go outside and cook. I'm really lucky to have that option now, to have this oven and to use it whenever I need it without even going outside, should I not want to. The unique selling point is the fact that I can cook inside and not compromise on the heat of the oven and the quality of the cook. That's my review 1 year later. Hope you found that helpful. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!